Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 10:45 in Honolulu, 4:45 in New York on Monday, 13th day of October 2025, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Gold and silver prices surged today, with December gold futures skyrocketing past $4,100 per ounce and December silver futures surging past $50 an ounce, both settling at new all-time record pricing. December futures gained over $90 or 2.34%, and December silver futures gained over $3 or 6.86%. The incredible gains today were the result of escalating U.S.-China trade tensions and the continued expectations of rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. The combination of both of these factors moved gold and silver to their highest prices in history. Truly a remarkable day for the precious metals. A phenomenal move in gold today, gaining $94.50, a net increase of 2.34%, taking the most active December contract to $4,130. Overseas, gold gained an additional $2.50, taking a troy ounce to $4,132.50. However, silver shined the brightest today, with net gains that took it to the all-time record closing price, with the greatest single-day change, $3.26. December silver settled today at $50.77.5. As in gold, the gains continue as it reopens overseas, with silver gaining an additional 12 cents, currently fixed at $50.87.5. When we look at the rallies that have occurred in 2025, I have highlighted three of them. The first one started the last week of December with gold at $2,750, taking it up to about $3,095, gaining $326 or 11.82%. That was dwarfed by the following rally that really began at roughly $2,964 up to the conclusion of the rally, and that resulted in a net change of $641 or 21.65%. From April, May, June, and July up until August, gold remained range-bound, trading between roughly $3,200 and $3,500. However, the current rally has dwarfed all of the other rallies in 2025, with current gains of $782.90 or 21.35%. And traders, this rally is not over as of yet. The other thing that is important to look at is that I have two simple moving averages. The first one, a shorter term 20-day, and the green, a longer term 50-day. And I can only point out the widening of the distance between the 50-day on the bottom and the 20-day on the top is now at its widest differential since gold broke out of its sideways trading activity and moved into solid rally mode. With the exception of this most recent rally in silver, there has been a key difference between the two precious metals, gold and silver, and that is we can note three major rallies in the calendar year 2025 in both gold and silver. However, in silver, there's never been a period of consolidation that lasted any length of time, with the exception of silver between the 24th day of July and August the 19th. The first rally netted silver a gain of 21.41%, moving from these lows at $29.19 up to the highs of $35.58 after a steep but quick correction, silver retraced back down to $28.97 and was able to net a gain of 37.7% over the period of about 3.5 months. Silver would trade sideways for a little bit, but this last rally has resulted in a net gain of 38.02%, definitively the greatest percentage change that we have seen silver trade to this year, resulting in the highest value ever for a single troy ounce. Lastly, I want to take a look at daily charts of both silver and gold, with gold on the top and silver on the bottom, highlighting this current rally and marking the beginning of both of them roughly at Wednesday, the 20th day of August, with silver at $37.60 and gold at $3,353.60 up to current pricing as of today, October the 13th, and the beginning of the candle forming on Tuesday the 14th. When we look at each of these rallies, they are both spectacular. However, the winner in terms of greatest percentage gain is easily silver, with a net gain of 35.93% and gold with a net gain of 23.25%. The only conclusion we can derive is that both gold and silver have had spectacular performance and continue to do that. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.